back to the channel. So today we got part 2 of the LS build videos that are going to be happening with the FD. So the other day I did kind of like a part 1 showing the Sandberg LS swap kit, all the components that come with it, etc, etc. So there's going to be more stuff on that later on. I do have to get a couple more pieces that didn't come in my kit, but it's all good. Like I said, it's, they're not made anymore. It's used, so it was better to get in now and get one. But the second part of this video is the other piece of the puzzle that I bought for my LS swap. So as you can see, I got a big tub here with a bunch of goodies in it, and then I got a whole bunch of stuff over here on my workbench. Bunch of little things, bunch of things we can go through real quick. No, I don't have the LS engine, if that's what you guys might have thought. Not yet. I plan to get that this winter. Once the car comes back from H2O in one piece, hopefully. The 13B will go for sale. I'll pull it, and then that's when the LS swap will begin. That's when I'll go find a swap car. So, let's look in this crate. What could this be? This right here is a brace. It's a brace for the front core support of the FD. And here's why. So, let's not hit the FD when we take this off. Da-da-da. We have an LS single turbo kit for the FD. So not as dramatic as I thought it might be, but ended up finding this kit on No Rotors. I've actually known about it for a long time. The person who originally built this kit, his name is Orlando. He's from Florida. If you're ever on YouTube, check it out. Look up for Orlando's single turbo FD, and you'll see this kit. So this kit's been known to do 700-800 horsepower. Doesn't overheat in Florida weather and temperature, humidity, etc., etc. Awesome kit. Super glad I was able to get it. He had sold it off, and then I found someone who was reselling it because they decided to stay NA instead of go turbo. So I jumped on it. So I got the turbo. I got the Sandberg kit. All we need now: LS, transmission, wiring harness, and ECU. A couple of little things in that, but those are the big items. So let's go ahead and go through it real quick. As you can see, it's a simple turbo kit. We have the upper intercooler pipes. So let's go ahead and pull some stuff out here. Feed lines, one intercooler pipe, which I'm going to get these pipes powder coated and whatnot. All right, let me do this real quick. Watch the car earlier. Let's set this thing up. Hopefully y'all can see. All right. So, intercooler pipes, good stuff right here. Then we have the downpipe, part of the downpipe for the turbo. All right. Let's see here. Then we got the turbo itself, which I'll pull out here in a sec. So here it is, guys. Hope you all can see it. This is the single turbo for the FD. It is a 7875 with T4, with like a 93 AR, I believe. So it's made by Booslad in Florida, if I'm correct. So again, turbo's been known to do 700-800 no problem. And then the rest of the kit was really just the manifolds. So the kit is built off of LS truck manifolds. As you can see, the end's just been V-band. It's the same thing for the other one. The other one just has a little bit more of a crossover section. And then the rest of the stuff that's in the kit is just downpipe and other clamps. I got in the blow-off valve over here, all the T-bolts, all the V-bands in this box. And then that's the main stuff for the turbo kit, and then the rest of it to do cooling. I'm not gonna be able to take this out of the box because I haven't cut open the other ones yet, but we have in this box if you can see, the Ford Taurus fan. So this is basically like a stock Ford Taurus fan, works really well. We have the Howie radiator for the FD. It'll fit the FD, and then we have a brand new intercooler kit. I believe it's CX Racing, to be honest with you. I've actually run tons of CX Racing stuff in the past, radiators, intercoolers. They've all supported 600 plus for me. I haven't had issues with it. If I was going to do something super hardcore, I would probably look at maybe like a Garrett core or a PTE core or a Treadstone, something like that. This is going to work totally fine for what I want to do. And then we also got some spark plugs. I got to look at these again, make sure that these are the ones needed for boosted application. I believe so. But that is the main stuff to the turbo kit, guys. Radiator, fan shroud, intercooler. You do have to cut your core support, unfortunately, with this kit because of just the clearances and everything like that. When Orlando sold this kit, he decided to go twin turbo. So his twin turbo kit is actually badass, very interesting, very cool. The one thing about this kit that I really like is, even though I do have to do some trimming up front, it is power steering compatible, it is AC compatible, not going to have any issues there. And basically this is going to be like plug and play. I do plan to get the intercooler pipes powder coated. I'm going to get the front cover, this cover right here. Boom. I'm going to get this front cover right here. It's painted the same color as the car, race red. And maybe look at doing a different dump, seeing what I can do there. But I'm super excited, guys. Oh, and I might, I think it's called Cherokee or whatever it's called, where you heat coat the manifolds. Here you can see the downpipe, and then this is the other manifold over here. So yeah, a lot of stuff going on, guys. There's going to be a lot of things coming in. I also did order a heat shield for the turbo, like a blanket as well. So should have that in here in a couple weeks. I'm honestly just kind of on the hunt for an LS motor. We'll see what shows up. But yeah, basically expect this car to be swapped either end of this year or beginning of 2020. I know it's kind of far out, but it takes a little while to get all this stuff. So thanks for tuning in, guys. More videos to come. Post some comments if you want. And thanks again.